Good morning, my dear students. In previous session, we learned capacitance of double circuit line, which is the hexagonal spacing and flat vertical spacing. In Unit 1, the last topic is effect of earth on capacitance of transmission line. So, why we taken as effect of earth into consideration while calculating the capacitance? So normally the capacitance is formed in between two conductors. Capacitance exists in between two conductors. So earth also a conductor, overhead lines also a conductors. So in between two conductors there is a air. Air acts as a insulating medium. Whenever two conductors are separated by an insulator, definitely the capacitance will be exist. That means conduct overhead line conductor to earth also the capacitance will be formed or exist. So definitely there is a charging current flows in between conductor to earth. So while taking to the earth is into consideration, what happened the capacitance value? So definitely the capacitance value increases while taking the effect of earth is a consideration. This is a very important point. While taking the consideration earth, the capacitance value increases. So how to derive the formulas we see. So effect of earth on capacitance of transmission line. So please carefully please see the diagram. So this is charge on one conductor. If you first be taken as one conductor. So this is a one conductor having the charge rho. The earth to conductor distance is h. Taken one assumption. The earth to conductor distance is h. So how can you taken into account for earth into consideration? While taking the earth into consideration, what are the points are kept in mind is a very important. So according to Kelvin's law, so they propose one system that is nothing but they taken is two assumptions. So the one assumption is according to Kelvin's law. So what they said is, if you take earth into consideration, you made two assumptions. One is you put the image of conductor. So if there is a one conductor, you must assume another conductor. That is nothing but image of conductor. Image, not physical form. That is a image of conductor. So that image of conductor having definitely opposite charge of actual conductor. Or you listen carefully. So that is a very important. The image of we consider one image of conductor. That image of conductor having opposite charge. If you consider positive charge, actual conductor having positive charge, definitely image of conductor having negative charge. That is a one point. Another point is the distance between earth to actual conductor is h, and also the distance between earth to image conductor also h. Means earth to actual conductor, earth to above we put in the actual conductor, earth to below we put in the image of conductor. Okay, with same distance. So these are the very important point according to Kelvin's image law. What they said means, if you take actual conductor is a positive charge, that image conductor having negative charge means opposite charge. If you earth to actual conductor height is h, that is put in above the earth. Actual conductor is above the earth. Image of conductor is below the earth with same distance of actual conductor. Suppose this is a 2h, this also a 2h. Are you remember my points? So please see effect of earth on capacitance of transmission. Capacitance of single conductor. It is required to calculate the capacitance of this conductor to ground. As discussed above, the earth can be replaced by fictitious conductor as shown. So fictitious or image conductor. This means the single conductor with the earth is equivalent to a single phase transmission line. The capacitance for a single phase transmission line from already we know. So while considering the image of conductor, what happens? Single phase transmission line having two conductors, one is positive charge, another one having negative charge. Here also same. Here also one conductor is positive charge, another conductor is negative charge. What is the capacitance C formula? Pi epsilon naught log h by r only. But why we rewritten is 2h? That's a very important. Why? Because the distance in between two conductors is here 2h. So while calculating the single phase, the distance between two conductors is only h we taken. But here we taken as 2h because image of conductors lies below the earth with equal distance of actual conductor. Earth to above having actual conductor, earth to below having image of conductor with the same distance. H plus h becomes 2h. Totally capacitance C is equal to pi epsilon naught log 2h by r. And easily we can write this equation by using Kelvin's law. Therefore, the capacitance C of the conductor with reference to ground is with reference to ground only. So this is just like as a neutral formula. So that becomes 2 pi epsilon naught log 2h by r. So by taking the neutral point, we know that is a 2 times of single phase. That becomes 2 pi epsilon naught log 2h by r farad per meter. So effect of earth on capacitance of single phase transmission line. So single phase means conductor A, conductor A dash. So here we taken as two conductors A, B. This is a actual conductors. Actual conductor. Single phase. This is a positive charge. Definitely this is a negative charge because the return path. One is return path to another conductor. This is a positive charge. This is a negative charge. So what happened? According to Kelvin's law, we put one image of conductor, that is A dash. The distance in between two conductors is dAA dash. Please remember the point. The distance between conductor A to A dash is dAA dash. This is the actual conductor B that will having negative charge. Definitely the image of conductor having positive charge. This is the actual conductor having positive charge. The image of conductor definitely having negative charge. So the distance between B to B dash also dB dash. Conductors A and B constitute the transmission line, and the conductors A dash and B dash their corresponding images. Assuming that conductors A and B are running physically parallel to earth and are at the same height above the ground, then DAA dash is equal to DBB dash and DAB dash is equal to DBA dash. This is a very important equation. DAA dash, the distance between conductor A to A dash is equal to the distance between conductor B to B dash. Similarly, the distance between conductor A to B dash corners A to B dash is equal to B to A dash. This is an assumption, so you must kept in the mind. We calculate the potential of conductor A with respect to point P, which is very far away from the system due to the charges on the conductor A and its image and conductor B and its image. So already told that A and A dash is its image, B is the actual conductor, B dash is the image of conductor. So write the equation. Here also same. So consider one point P. Consider point P. The distance between conductor A to point P is dA. The distance between conductor A dash to point P is dA dash. B to point P is dB. So point P is from the conductors to point P distance is same. We assume that one. Conductor P to all the conductors all the conductors to point P having same distance. dA approximately equal to dA dash approximately equal to dB approximately equal to dB dash. From the initial we taken this assumption. So write the equation. VA is equal so potential difference A. Which is the reference quantity? Conductor A is a reference. So VA is equal rho by 2 pi epsilon naught log dA by R. What is the dA? The distance between conductor A to point P. Or why we've written R? Because conductor A is a reference. Minus rho by 2 pi epsilon naught. So why we've written minus? Because conductor A dash is the image of conductor that will having negative charge. Conductor A having positive charge, conductor A dash having negative charge. Rho by 2 pi epsilon naught log dA dash by dAA dash minus rho by 2 pi epsilon naught log dB by dAB. So B having negative charge because this is single phase. So minus we take as minus. Next B dash having positive. So B having negative, definitely B dash having positive plus rho by 2 pi epsilon naught log dB dash by dAB dash. Please arrange simple form. This equation arrange simply form. So we get rho by 2 pi epsilon naught log dAB by R dAA dash by dAB dash. Can assume easily. So capacitance C is equal rho by dA. Rho get cancelled. We get 2 pi epsilon naught by log dAB by R dAA dash by dAB dash, which is while taking to the effect of earth into consideration the single phase. Therefore, the expression for the capacitance to neutral is equal to C by 2. So by 2 that becomes pi epsilon naught log dAB by R dAA dash by dAB dash farad per meter per pace. Since dAA dash by dAB dash less than 1, therefore from the above expression we can say that the value of capacitance has increased due to the effect of earth. This is a very important point. So the capacitance value is increases due to the effect of earth. However, as the distance of separation between the conductors DAB is very much smaller when compared to height of conductor above ground level. Therefore, for all practical calculation, DAA dash by DAB dash approximately equal to 1. Thus, the effect of earth on capacitance of transmission line may be neglected. So finally, the capacitance value increases, but the distance between conductor to earth is very large or very more distant. So we neglect the effect of earth. Next, effect of earth on capacitance of three-phase line. So single phase line is finished. We go for three-phase line. So here also same. Please observe the diagram carefully. They have three phases: phase A, phase B, phase C. So this phase A, all the three phases, assume all the three phases positive charge. So that image is all negative charges. So conductor A dash distance is DAA dash, C dash distance is DCC dash, B and B dash DBB dash. So actual conductors A, B, C, A, B, C. That image of conductors A dash, B dash, C dash. Here also same phenomena. Assume one point P having some distance from the conductors. So from point P to all the conductors having same distance means dA approximately equal to dA dash approximately equal to dB approximately equal to dB dash. So what is the dA? The distance between conductor A to point P. So please observe carefully. So VA dash here we are also using the transposition. Transposition is the changing the position of conductors at regular intervals. So here we taken as VA dash. What is the VA dash? Conductor A is in first position. So conductor A is the first position. What is the formula? Same. Rho by 2 pi epsilon naught log dA by R minus log dA dash by dA dash. So why we taken as rho A as common? This belongs to rho A. This belongs to rho A dash. So rho A is equal to rho A dash because both are belongs to same pace. So we write equation directly. So in previous case we write the equation in equation before this equation we write one equation, so no need to write that equation. 1 by 2 pi epsilon, take rho a as a common log dA by r. I will written r, so a conductor a is a reference minus log dA dash by dA dash. What is the dA dash? The distance between conductor a dash to point P. What is the dA dash here? The dA dash is nothing but the distance in between A to A dash. Anything with respect to conductor A. Here also same. Rho B log dB by dAB minus log dB dash by dAB dash plus rho C log dC by dAC minus log dC dash by dAC dash. So please simplify the equation. We get 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught rho a log dA dash dA dash by R plus rho B log dAB dash by dAB plus rho C log dAC dash by dAC. So if you observe carefully with pace A, this one is pace A. So pace A, please read dA dash D. What are the other combination? So here A dash B dash C dash. D A A dash D A B dash. So AC under combination A B A C, same D we get D A B D A C. From this expression we can write the easily under two expressions. So don't bother about that one. What is the other equation? Simply 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught rho A log D not dA dash. We get in the second position, we get D BB dash by R plus rho B log D. What are the B under combination? B A dash B C dash. So we get B. Okay. So this is the expressions. Second 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught rho A log D BB dash by R plus rho B log D BC dash by DBC plus rho C log D BA dash by DBA. So numerator BC dash, denominator DBC. Numerator BA dash, denominator BA. Finally in third position also 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught rho A log D CC dash by R plus rho B log D CA dash by DCA plus rho C log D CB dash by DCB. Conductor A in second position, conductor A in third position. So numerator part, the distance in between conductor to point P. The denominator part, the distance between conductor A to respective conductor. So that is a very important. DCA, DCB. So this is all the three equations. So take the average. VA dash plus VA double dash by VA triple dash by 3. So rearrange this one. We get 1 by 6 pi epsilon naught rho A log DAA dash by into DBB dash DCC dash by R cube plus rho B log DAB dash DBC dash DCA dash by DAB, DBC, DCE plus rho C log DAC dash DBA dash DCB dash by DAC, DBA, DCB. So since DAB dash is equal to DBA dash, DBC dash is equal to DCB dash and DCA dash is equal to AC dash. So the distance between both are same. AB dash is nothing but BA dash. BC dash is equal to CB dash. CA dash is equal to AC dash. This is a equal distances. So we can rearrange the equation just like as VA is equal 1 by 6 pi epsilon naught rho A log DAA dash DBB dash DCC dash by R cube minus rho A log DAB dash dBc dash dCA dash by dAB dBc dCA. Simplify the equation, we get VA is equal to rho A by 6 pi epsilon naught log DAB DBC DCA by R cube into DAA dash DBB dash DCC dash by DAB dash DBC dash DCA dash. Capacitance C is equal to rho A by VA. You get 2 pi epsilon log cube root of DAB DBC DCA by R cube root of DAA dash DBB dash DCC dash by DAB dash DBC dash DCA dash. It can be seen from the expression the effect of earth is to increase the capacitance. Already I told this point. But normally the height of conductor is large as compared to distance of separation between the conductors, and therefore for all practical purposes the effect of earth on capacitance is neglected. In this way we calculating the effect of earth on capacitance. Thank you.